Alright, here's my late 50s, early 1960s, but I really, if I were to guess, my best guess would be late 1950s. 20-inch Markel box fan. This was last year. This was a project fan that I took on last year. Actually, one of the first metal bladed fans I found of back in spring 2023. Yeah, I picked this up for $10 off of a app listing that I had, and it originally I had repainted this thing, and I had done a couple things to it, respliced the cord. Like, cord was unfortunately already spliced previously, but I just went ahead and did a better one myself down here in the corner of the fan down here. Do my best to keep it away from the blade span too while it's running, because you can see the cords aren't really ran down in the same. I could probably do better. I can actually just pull it through that hole a little bit down there and it'll be fine. Yeah, really neat fan. It's the nice shiny Markel badge right there. It used to be down here in the center where the hub is, but I moved it up here to the top corner just because I kind of like watching the hub on this fan spin. That's just odd thing that I like about it. This fan does have a thermostat. I did repaint the blades and the cabinet completely in this kind of a sea glass green. The handle I also did repaint too. It's kind of, as you can tell, it was originally once brown, but it was kind of faded from sunlight, I'm guessing. And I repainted that gray to match it. The knob was originally gray as well, I believe. Maybe not. It might have been actually matching the handle brown. And the 2-speed switch knob here is not original either. As you can tell, I think I got that off a stereo. I ended up parting out last year. Blades have nice pitch. I believe this blade set was pitched to be reversible, but this is not a reversible model of this fan. So, but yeah, I think it kind of has the same iteration of that blade. Let me go ahead and spin it around. Back of the fan, it's got the GE export motor. Pretty good running motor for one of these. Got the single brace, which is going horizontal, which makes me believe even more this fan is late 50s, if not very early 60s. Before fans started doing the vertical motor brace. Yeah. See, we got a model's information tag. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Oh yeah, the back guard on this fan is not original. I had to kind of get half-ass artsy craftsy and made one out of some material I found. It does its job. I got it tie wired to it. I could do better and put some screws and washers through it, but yeah, what the hell. It works, doesn't rattle, doesn't make any noise. I got it pretty good. It took me some fine tuning, and you see I have it zippy tie back to the motor mount there, but all in all, it works. Doesn't rattle again, and it provides guard, because originally when I found this fan, it did not have the rear guard intact. Yeah, just the guy that I got it from said when he acquired it, it didn't have a rear guard either, so he just kind of used it up near a window, away from any pets or anything like that. Yeah. Let me go ahead and spin this back around. Original plug. Fire it up on high speed. Makes a nice breeze. Let's see. 1.6 amps, 121 watts. Dropping because the fan's got to warm up a little bit. Yeah, so not bad on high speed for amp draw. Like it's sticking to 120 watts. Down to low. And say roughly 100 watts. It's kind of fluctuating. Yeah. Back to high speed. It's rattling. It's this badge plate up here is starting to rattle just because of age, but that's what you get for this thing. This thing still runs great though. Still at 1.62 amps. Watch it coast. I want to say these were rebadged. These came under a few different brands. I think Grant's Bradford is one of them, if I recall right. I could be wrong, but these are pretty popular fans, I guess, of the early '60s from videos of other collectors I've watched. And these blades spin forever, so I'll go ahead and spin it around and get a startup sound. High speed. Low speed startup.